Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. An active Airtel SIM with 5G provisioned and location services on. Open your chosen network app or the phone's field test menu. Those tools read cell ID and signal metrics. Once done, switch to LTE/5G mode in settings and enable cellular data. Make sure the app shows serving cell info and that permission prompts were accepted. You need the cell ID, PCI, and signal strength values to locate the tower, so keep the phone facing where reception is strongest. Next, you extract the serving tower identifiers and signal metrics, cell ID, PCI, and RSRP/RSRQ, so you can map the source. Walk short distances in 10-30-meter increments and watch signal change. Once you see the strongest RSRP repeatable in multiple spots, you're moving toward the tower. Use the app's cell lookup or paste the cell ID into its database function to get approximate coordinates. Alternatively, enable map overlay in the app. This combination of identifiers and measured signal lets you narrow down. Finally, go to the approximate coordinates and scan the area for antenna arrays. 5G sectors are often on rooftops, small cells on poles, or macro towers with panel antennas. Confirm by checking band and consistency of the serving cell ID and high RSRP. If both match from different angles, you've found the Airtel 5G site. If readings are inconsistent, restart the app, toggle airplane mode to force reattach, or test with a second phone. This usually clears mismatched cell attachments or stale caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.